What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on HP laptops and PC. So let's get started. So first press this Windows icon and then go to the settings, and after coming to the settings you need to click on system, and from system you need to select sound, and when you click on sound make sure that your headphone or speaker whatever you're using has been selected and the volume button has been turned and the volume is up. And after that you just need to hover or scroll a bit down, and then under the advanced section here you will see troubleshoot common sound problems, and from here you need to click on output devices. After clicking on output devices, this will ask you for a consent to run a troubleshoot scan on your computer or laptop or PC for finding all the errors that are interrupting the sounding of your laptop. And after that, when the troubleshooting is done, this will show you all the issues to solve. And after that, uh, when you don't find any issue, hover some more or just scroll down some more, and then you will see the more sound settings. Click on this, and then a pop-up will appear. And make sure that your headphone or speaker, whatever you are listening to, has been enabled. And when it is enabled, you need to click on apply and OK. And if it still doesn't solve the problem, you just need to come over to the desktop again, and then you need to search for the Run app. And after clicking on Run, this will open a small pop-up wherein you need to type in services.msc. After that, click on OK, and then this will open a new window. From here, you need to search for audio, and after selecting and finding the audio here, you will see the Realtek audio on the right. Click on this, right click on this, and then click on properties. After that, make sure that the startup type has been selected to automatic. If it is not, just choose the automatic and then click on apply and OK. And after that, you just need to right click on it again and then click on restart. So it will restart, and then close this window, and then your sound issue will be fixed on all your HP laptops and PCs. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.